Love of Nature, a poem. It was a sheer fluke of luck that I happened to be in the very lap of nature, quite unexpected one fine autumn day. A sparse woodland far from the madding crowd. The enchanting nature drew me along a narrow path, seldom trodden. I stepped forward, overwhelmed by the stunning beauty of the place. A pleasantly cool breeze was blowing. The brown leaves fell off the trees, making a soothing, rustling sound. The tall trees whispered romantically, an enchanting sight and sound. I paused a while, intensely mesmerized, looked up, saw the sunbeams peeping through the branches of the trees with its golden hue, looked around, sighted a row of grey hills afar, silhouetted against the dark blue sky, with white clouds floating around. A few ancient trees standing at a distance, in dignity, spreading their huge branches with creaking and rustling sound. I marveled at God's nonpareil, inimitable handicraft, his miraculous designs. Thus, a spontaneous reflection on the Creator's greatness and man's futile vanity. I moved ahead through the narrow lane, reached a bubbling brook flowing at its own sweet will, a symbol of freedom. What a mesmerizing sight! Crystal clear waters glittering with tiny ripples on its surface, white and dotted pebbles beneath. A perfect feast to the sore eyes and balm to the disillusioned soul. A peaceful, tranquil ambience all around. Simply inexplicable. I stepped onto a smoothened rock, sat on it, looking at the sparkling waters, listening to the soul-cooling, rippling sound of the stream. A few moments later, the sounds of buzzing bees and screeching crickets emerged from the nearby bushes. Ah, a hypnotizing medley of music. Nature's brilliant music, unlike man-created deafening, clamorous music. This is the most peaceful, serene place, perhaps on earth, akin to a paradise. I dozed off looking at the dappled butterflies flying around, uninhibitedly reflecting on humans chasing peace and happiness in money, wealth, and status, assuming somebody else's identity with ego and arrogance, pomp and show, a vain life. Alas, if only man followed nature's innocence, simplicity, humility, freedom, and uncamouflaged true self, perhaps he would then redeem himself of the clutches of the fake human constructs of success, peace, and happiness. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay blessed always.